Welcome to Casper Curates. We are back with yet another video, and today we'll be talking about tourists and travelers. So, of late, I came across many videos wherein all the wanderers were being classified as either tourists or then travelers. So, I ended up thinking that what am I, a tourist or a traveler? But to identify that, I will actually have to first understand that what is a tourist and what is a traveler and make you understand so that you can also be able to identify who are you, a tourist or a traveler. So when you think of a tourist word, what comes to your mind? So basically, tourists are all those people who are really fed up with their day to day tasks, maybe a 9 to 5 job, maybe household stuff, or maybe they are also fed up looking at the faces which they see all day in office or maybe anywhere. So they just need a break from their day to day routine. So, these are some five factors which you can think of when you are defining a tourist. That is your holiday, comfort, luxury, money, and your convenience. So, when you are talking about a traveler, so what does a traveler do? A traveler is someone who keeps on traveling very often. He is very consistent in traveling. So, when you think of a traveler, what comes to your mind? A traveler does not look at any place like a holiday. A traveler looks at any place like an opportunity. Uh, by opportunity, I mean what kind of opportunity? Now you will be thinking, what kind of opportunity? Just of exploring places that even tourists are doing. No, it's not an opportunity of just exploring the places otherwise, but it is knowing the history of the place, then knowing the languages spoken there, and knowing the lifestyle of the people, what they eat, how they travel, and what are the challenges that they face, and how do they address each other. It is the interest in knowing the place, it is the interest in knowing the people. So that is an opportunity wherein you also get to community engage with people, you also get to share your skills with the people. So a traveler has nothing to do with a holiday. He is always looking at an opportunity, one opportunity after the other. So that is something a traveler will actually plan, that I have this budget, I have to go to these many places, I have these many days in hand, and that is how a traveler plan things. So wherein a tourist does not need that headache, he will just try to book luxury things by himself, or maybe he will just go to an agency and tell them that I have these many days in hand and I want to go to this place, you arrange everything. So that is not their headache at all. They just pay for it and they enjoy their leisure time and then they get back. But when you are a traveler, you actually like to engage with people over there, you like to learn their languages, or maybe you like to know how they address each other, what is the lifestyle that they are following, what is the food that they are eating, what is the speciality, the cuisine over there, what is their art form, what is their folk dance, anything and everything that interests a traveler is their lifestyle. If a traveler is reaching a destination of his choice, he will not end up booking a private car from the hotel over there. He would rather go for public transports, and if not public transports, maybe someone is a rider, or maybe they'll understand the fuel charges and they might go on self-driving. Then a traveler's life is such that your holiday gets replaced with the opportunity, your comfort gets replaced with experience, your luxury gets replaced with skills, and your money gets replaced with budgeting, and your convenience gets replaced with community engaging. So now it's up to you to decide whether you are a traveler, you are um, tourist, or maybe you are just a wanderer. By now, if you have understood who is a traveler and who is a tourist, then you can definitely maybe identify, or maybe you are none of these and you are wanting to one of these. Yes, I am somebody who is doing a 9 to 5 job. So I am a content creator, but I am not a full-time content creator. So again, I would also think of a break from my routine job, maybe the day-to-day traveling, or maybe the 9 to 5 job, or anything, or seeing the faces daily. So yes, I would prefer a holiday that time. That would be my leisure time. Maybe that is the time when I will not think twice before spending and on my leisure time, on my convenience, on my comfort. So yes, I am somebody who would go for budget traveling as well as for a holiday. And sometimes it's just me taking my bike, which is a lovely bike, Aerox 155. I have dropped a video about that. You will find it on the I button here if you would want to have a look at it, which is a very popular and successful video. I'm sure you should have a look at it. So sometimes it's just me and my bike, and I just go hopping to places, and I love it, and I would like exploring more on my vehicle. So I am just a wanderer. I'm neither a tourist nor a traveler, and you need not be any kind of travel vlogger, digital creator, influencer, or a volunteer to go to places. And if you have identified who you are, or you are neither of these and you want to one of these, or you are just a wanderer like me, please do let me know who you are, or you are just a wanderer like me. And if you have liked the video, then please do like, maybe comment, share the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget subscribing to watch more such content. For those of you who are new to this channel, I post videos about tech, travel, and leisure. And now we are in this discussion mode, wherein maybe if you like this video, we can do more such videos, and you can let me know your thoughts on it. If you are looking for travel and tips for traveling, maybe for traveling is never free. So those of you who are telling, those people who are telling you that traveling is for free, no, traveling is not for free. You need to contribute something when you are traveling. So when you want to travel on a budget, or maybe you want to travel without spending but in return of something, just let me know. I will get back with that video as well. So see you soon in the next one. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next one.